Hi guys, the last class we have discussed about errors, different kinds of errors like compile time errors and runtime errors. In compile time errors, there are four types of errors are there. With the examples also we have seen the last class. Now today we'll see about the elements of C. What are the basic elements and important elements of C language? Those we need to discuss. Actually, the coming to the generally every language has some basic elements and grammatical rules will be there. So before programming in C, we must know the basic elements of the language. These basic elements are character set, variables and data types, constants, keywords. Keywords are, we can call it as the reserved words, variable declarations, expressions, statements, etc. Blah blah things are there. So, but what I have said the above all these used to construct the C program. Okay, so character. What is a character? Characters are, we, for example, uh, when comes to A, B, C, these are all characters, right? These are all together. We are going to create a C program. Okay, these are main things, and in this there are obviously we have a capital letters and small letters, whatever, if it is capital, if it is small, or if it is digits like 0, 1, 2, 3. No, these are also called as a characters, right? These are all called as a digits. So when we enclose it with a single code, so we can call it as a characters, right? So there are these are the with these also we had other characters also available, like I will say these are also called as a characters. There are different types of characters: graphic characters, white space characters, other characters like alert, backspace. These are all the backspace, carriage return, and this is alert character. So there are different types of characters are there. Yeah, these things are all the theoretical. You can go through the any book and internet also you can find. I don't want to explain more and more about the theoretical, but I'll teach you whatever the important things. I'll teach you definitely. If you have any doubts, any queries, please text me in my Telegram channel. I'll reply you. Okay. So there are different types of characters are there. The thing is, I'll write down what are the actually execution characters. We can call it as a escape characters. I grab characters, delimiters, keywords. We need to see all these. Okay, identifiers, data types, data types, constants. There are different types of constants out there. So we'll see all these topics one by one. Okay. Escape sequence. Earlier I have said like /b and /r /e and the /n /f /0, right? So /b, this is a backspace carriage return. /r is carriage return. So here carriage return, I'll alert new line, form feed, null, cut. So the more than these characters are available in escape sequence also. Coming to backspace, it will backspace means when I write /b, if my cursor is like my cursor is stay here, so the after that /b is there, the cursor comes back to this position immediately. /b backspace, one backspace at a time, one backspace will come here. Carriage return, okay, carriage return. When I write the code like these many words I have write in one statement, so here carriage return is there, the cursor will come back to this position immediately. Alert, it is a kind of beep sound, alert, it will come. New line, when I write code one line, so immediately my cursor will come into the next line of the first character. Okay, form feed, it will move the cursor to the initial position of the next logical page. It is a page, if you consider this is a page, my cursor is present here, so here /f is, it will comes to the next page of the initial position of that particular position. Next, null character, it's a null character, end of the character, it will shows that end of the string, so please go through the textbook regarding this. but these things while writing code, you can get to know clearly about this these characters, how to use, where to use, uh, so what is the use of these things, you will get to know. Definitely it's not a problem. And so the important another one is that another one is delimiters. Delimiters, we have delimiters called as a we can call it a semicolon, colon, parenthesis, bracket. These are the delimiters. Okay, uh, what are those? Bracket, also parenthesis, flower bracket, semicolon, end of the statement, colon. This colon is used for the label purpose. We are using in switch statement, for example. Switch statement, something it is like this, case 1, so break something, case 2. Here we are using, right, these are the, these we are using here, colon, for the purpose of label purpose we are using here. Okay, okay. The next is bracket. The order will be changed by the bracket. The execution of the order will be changed by this bracket. This bracket also. Uh, this bracket mostly we are going to use in array concepts. In arrays we will use this thing, like array name is a of 10 a of 10. This has 10 members. Okay, so instead of mentioning all these elements, we are using with this bracket. Array will be declared here. Okay, the next flower bracket is block statements. We are going to use block statements. And hash is the preprocessor, we know already. Full stop or comma, variable delimiter. Okay, so as of now we learned about what is a character types. We have seen, and delimiters also we have seen as of now. Okay, so the next class we are going to see reserved words, or we can call it as a keywords, and identifiers, data types. We'll see. The next class is very important because of in this constants will become, and data types, how to define what is the data types, how to use those data types, and what is the identifier, what is the keyword, how many are there, we are going to see. Definitely don't miss that next class. Thank you. Kindly like and share, subscribe my channel. If you really like, share with your friends also, so they also something they will get to know by looking these videos. And thank you. Jai Hind.